goodness, some glass elevators. Look at this poor buffalo. They built a parking garage around him. Now he's trapped forever. How sad. Anyway. Here. Looks like this. What the hell? What is this? Oh my god. That is so weird. What is that? Wow. Okay. These are like either very late Dovers or very early ThyssenKrupp. Oh my god. This is bizarre. This is very odd, but interesting. All right, let's get a look. 3,500 pounds. Excuse me. Omaha Park 7, it's called. Look at these buttons. That's a screwed up fire service key switch. Looks like they broke it to put the new one in. Huh. That's weird. Look at these buttons. They're like, they don't push like anything I've ever pushed before. They're not, I don't recognize these contacts. They're very weird. That's so straight. They kind of push like Dewhurst, but a little more clicky. Let's go back up to 8. That's so weird. They're pretty quick too. I'd say about 350. I wouldn't hear the bell on the outside. It kind of sounded weird. There's the weird button. Oh, it's red. Interesting. This one's red.